I'm Sheena Larson, and today I'm going to be culturing a cheek swab. I'm going to use my own cheek. I want to keep everything as sterile as possible, so that's why I'm wearing a lab coat. And I'm going to clean the area where I'm going to be working with some 99% isopropyl alcohol, so that I have a nice aseptic surface. So I autoclaved these swabs, so they're sterile swabs, and these are what I'm going to be using for this procedure. So I'm going to take the swab and I'm going to rub the inside of my cheek and around my teeth. And now I'm going to place this back into the container so that it doesn't get contaminated by anything else. So now I'm going to be culturing the swab that I just took. So I have everything that I need here. I have the blood agar plate. I have a lighter. Unfortunately, we don't have a Bunsen burner, so I'm just using a barbecue lighter. I have my inoculation loop. So to start with, I want to place my primary inoculum. So I want to place my primary inoculum where I have the label. So I'm going to open that there, being careful not to contaminate anything. And I'm just going to rub this back and forth in the area in a size, roughly the size of a dime. Now I'm going to take my inoculation loop and I'm going to heat it. So I'm starting at the farther end and I'm working my way down. I'm really shaking as it gets red hot. I don't want this to be red hot while I actually go through the culture, so I'm just going to place this to the side to make sure that it's cool. And then I'm just going to go through the primary inoculum 10 to 15 times. Now I'm going to heat it again. I'm just working my way down towards the end of the loop. And I'm just touching it to the side of the agar plate to make sure that it's not too hot. Now, for the second quadrant, I want to make sure that I'm going through the primary quadrant a couple of times. So I'm going to start here and then go out. Going to heat again. Where I'm pushing it into the side there, I'm not actually touching where I had placed any inoculum. So now I'm going to do the third quadrant. So I'm going to go through the second quadrant and out like I had done before. So and now for the fourth quadrant, I'm not going to reheat it. There's this space in the middle, and I'm just going to make a little zigzag panel pattern there. And I can place this back there, and it is ready to be incubated. So I'm just going to heat this so that it's sterile again. There we go. And now this is ready to go into the incubator.